Kufa, a city of debates, a place where opinions clashed and truth was often drowned by noise.
You claim that Ahlul Bayt alone understand the Quran correctly. Then explain its verses, if you can.
This was Aban ibn Taghlib, companion of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq alayhi salam, teacher of Quran, master of Arabic, and trusted scholar of Medina.
The Quran was revealed in Arabic, but not every Arabic speaker understands it.
Then he began, explaining verses using grammar, revelation context, and hadith, exactly as Imam Sadiq alayhi salam had taught him.
This is your interpretation.
No, this is the interpretation transmitted from the family in whose house the Quran was revealed.
One question after another, every objection answered, not with anger, but with knowledge. History records that no reply was left.